So this is the latch I made for the Rambler. As you can see, there's just a normal stainless bolt. This is all stainless here, and I made these ridges on it. The whole thing is not completely finished, as you can see. It's already got some surface rust there from the rain. I think that can't be cleaned off, but anyways. I'm no longer going to use these holes here. I'll probably end up replacing this piece, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And the way the adjustment works is this bolt goes through another washer in the back, and there's a pipe that goes around it. And when you tighten the washer, you can move this around inside the pipe. Then the washer clamps it to where you want it. So it'll look much better once it's all painted and finished. But it's all stainless, so it's extremely heavy duty, and the adjustment is very easy to adjust. Oh, just thought it would be this is what I call an improvement to what originally came from the factory.